The Egor magistrate court setting for Uwelu don sentence one Mrs. Philo Osaghae to 1 week community service sake of the waste she disposed for the former illegal dump site for Ologboshere Street, wey dem evacuate few weeks ago by the Chairman Egor local government area, Honorable Egor Gbemudia. Mrs. Philo Osaghae, wey dey stay for number 26 Odiaise Street off Benin Technical Road, dey arrested by the Egor Environmental Law Enforcement Team and presented before the Egor Magistrate Court setting for Uwelu. Mrs. Philo Osaghae, wey plead guilty, dey sentenced by the Presido of the Magistrate Court to 1 week community service, and she go start the cleaning and sweeping of the former illegal dump site for the next 1 week.
Wetin you do now, make people not do it. Make dem not do am again. I said talk am.
This go make her the second person wey dem don catch to dey throway dirty on the former illegal dump site for Ologboshere Street. The first person wey dem catch na one Mr. Obo Mark, wey currently dey carry out im community service on the site. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.